I feel like sharing some big reminders with you. So listen. First of all, live for yourself. Then you are connected with yourself when you do that. So always follow you. Follow what your body is telling you in any situation, in any challenge, right? So trust that feeling. Deeply trust what your body is letting you know. And quiet your mind, open your heart and regulate your nervous system. And see the beauty in doors, closing and also opening. See the beauty also in stillness, in movement, in life. And I can share one example which is present right now again in my life, and I really want to talk about it. That I have to move out again of one of my many dream apartments, right? I manifested in my life here on my favorite island in Europe, in Tenerife, where I have one of my soul places, happy places and power places, but really especially soul place. And all the time when I have to leave this island or think about it, it makes me sad as I don't want to leave. And I'm also a bit scared and sometimes also excited. Depends. I just feel like my soul and I just belong here for now. And I feel with what I feel in my body, that my body is also letting me know that I want to be here, right? So also my body wants to be here. It's a full body yes, which I have for Tenerife. So all what I can do now is trusting, and I do trust that a new place is going to be provided, right? This place is loaded by places, and I know I'm at the right place. I know I have to and want to be here right now. And I know another dreamy place and apartment will unfold, right? I'm already in the energy of it, and just like it always did, I know, I trust in my power, my manifestation power, and I surrender to what the universe brings to me without me trying hard anymore, because I've done that before and I learned my lesson. I stopped chasing and stopped forcing things to happen. So just sharing and speaking about it, I will continue to do so, as I see this is really important, and I will see what is coming in. And I know everything what is meant to be will happen. Everything what is meant to be will happen. Everything what is for me will come to me and find me. And I will also feel it, so I can't pass it. I fully trust in this, and I fully surrender in this. And when I make this happen without worrying too much and without stressing out, without being too sad that I have to leave that apartment again, where I'm living in right now, just being more neutral about it, or even in peace, in love, in joy about it, then I'm also sending out all the great higher frequencies, which support me in the best way. And also here I just remember myself right now to go fully in acceptance with whatever is. When we accept situations, people, ourselves, just as it is, just as we are, right? You find peace and also so much richness and happiness in it. So also I find so much peace when I connect with this inner knowing, and knowing of that we will never miss out on what is truly meant for us. So keep that in mind. That's your reminder and mine as well. I will probably also come back to this video myself and listen to my own words to ground in it. Yeah. So lay your heart, and also I lay my heart and my hand on my heart and I close my eyes and breathe deeply to also calm down my nervous system and feel into this truth and these words. So never use your energy to worry. Use your energy to trust the process and believe that everything will work out just as it's supposed to be. Yeah. So let's keep on practicing, living life like this and to this philosophies. So who is with me on this journey? Who is with me? Who of you? Let me know. And also, let's delete all those question marks we have in our lives, right? With trusting and gaining more clarity. And then manifesting consciously. We can do so. Yeah. So I could also say, hey, I couldn't realize my vision I had when I came back here, like the basic human need, like a home base, which was my big vision, to build up here a home base, to be and feel fully rooted here. And also, not a great van, to move around, to be fully free, also in the outside and all the papers and so on. So that was not working out, so I could say, hey, let's move on. But I also haven't found a better option, a better place yet, which I feel. And that all of this is unfolding easily, right? So that's the thing. So I have no other place where I feel like going, where there's all of this, to live also in a European standard place and getting a nice long-term contract close to the sea and surrounded by nature and also like-minded community, to thrive and create, to be together while we all live by our own and have our own safe space here, apartment house. And I just love Tenerife, and especially my soul place. This small little coastal town makes me stay, and I come back to it anyways again and again. And I just love it so much, and I also know I don't have to be here forever, but at the same time I can see myself here staying forever. And I have some good friends here, but they're also spread out all over the island, and they like to move again and again and are not here all year round. So so slowly I feel like Tenerife, just like Ibiza and so on, are great for vacations and for retreats, but maybe not for living. At least not as long we don't own a place here. So it feels very transient. Lots of people come and go. It's rare to find a long-term housing with a safe contract that you can stay and the law is on your side, so that they can't kick you out when they just want to do holiday rental to make big money with it, right? All quite greedy here. And I had to move because of this so many times here on these islands already. And that's why I'm not sure if I find the stability and grounding here that I desire. And at the same time, my body just tells me to stay. And so does also Tere, the volcano here. It talks to me. So let's see. And I also have the feeling that it's also telling me and all of us who are in the same boat that is the time to unite, to come all together, right? Together. To create and start our very own community somewhere, at a place we all like, which has it all. Or we create and make it to a place which has it all for us, right? What is important to us, as I know there are so many of us who have been searching for the right place for years as well. So many of you have or are still lost and searching for it and haven't found the soul place and that place in general yet. So many of you haven't. But some of you have found some happy places and know exactly what they want or where they can see themselves living in, right? Even though we all just would need to, for sure, experience living in a place for a year first to make the final decision, I feel like, to experience every month, every season, to get to know also how it all works and how it all is in reality. And also weather-wise and season-wise, right? How we can handle it and how it is in reality. Yes, so I'm also in exchange with people who live in Bali and Ibiza and also Costa Rica and also here on the Canary Islands, who reacted on my story and or even shared it in theirs, that they are in the same situation right now. So it's really in the field, it's a collective thing. So yes, it's kind of also feels like an in-between state, right? We are all in right now and going through with this also through a big transformation process is coming and we are in it somehow, right? Seeing if the universe is maybe all redirecting us, right? But also wants us to unite and to step also especially in our full power. That's what I feel the most. And yeah, you can the full power can be anything, right? The full power of having all the resources, being able to buy a place, right? Buy a land to build it all up, having the power to create this, my battery is low, to do so. And yeah, the inner strange and so on, but definitely resources, money is for sure also a big topic, right? And I mean, all of us, most of us, or those people I'm talking to, they're all not willing to pay 2K for rent. No, it's crazy. It's just crazy, right? Especially when you're single as well. So, I know and feel is that all we want is to have a home and to build a home and being consistent with that because it's nice, right? So yes, I find it also beautiful to see and hear that I'm not alone with this and the desire and need of stability especially, right? As these people also have it, and they also say all they need right now is stability, and stability in the outside helps with the inner stability a lot. But yeah, they are also just not sure if they can find it in Bali and in Europe and in Ibiza and so on with the housing situation. So we will see. And we know everything will come as it should. Everything happens for a reason and as it should. And it will. It will. So yeah. Surrendering to that, trusting in that, and we'll see about it. And as none of us wants to lower the standards because we know and feel that we wouldn't feel and be comfortable then in that place if we do so, if we lower our standards, like for the housing, and also the area, we have to feel it energy-wise. It has to feel good, peaceful and quiet, and also still connected or not far and easy, otherwise easy to reach from everything what is important to us. And we are all tired of constantly moving. It's tiring to constantly move and adapt, be in a new environment with new people, building it all up again and start new. Especially if you have done it for a long time, like for months, for years. And yes, if you feel it to 100%, it's fun. It's fun for that time and really fulfilling. But if you're not feeling doing so, and if you just have to do it as there is no other option, it just doesn't make you happy. Yeah. So yes, when you are in such a situation where you always have to think of, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do I go? It creates the dilemma, and that takes so much energy and focus away, and it's very much energy training. But yes, we do believe something beautiful is coming our way. So we are positive and try to be as positive as we can, and to worry as less about it as we can. But also, we also feel like it's important to share and to talk about it. So that this makes people aware and this connects. And also, who knows what's unfolding out of it, right? So if we all land in one eco-village one day, or even build our very own one, small and nice and small. So yes, all it will come one step at a time. And so please share this message with everyone who is in the same situation, or could help or needs to hear one of these reminders I shared in here today. They are for everything, not just this one life area, for everything, for all life areas. They are so important to have in mind and to believe and hold on to this belief and trust, build up this basic trust, working on our root chakra especially, right? And yes, so everything what is meant for you, for us, will not pass us. And everything will come as it should. But still, we can co-create. Never forget about our power with creating. We can co-create with the universe, with conscious manifestation. So let's spread with that. Let's start with spreading the word, and start with doing all of this what we can do for ourselves, for building up this the right mindset and heartset, and doing the work what we can do within and also with others, and all together. Let's gather all together. I'm a huge fan of that, gathering people, connecting people all together. I'm a big time connector, right? Online and offline. I'm always bringing the people together who need to be united. And beautiful things have already been unfolding through that, and some more is to come. And I'm sure the harvest time for all of us will come as well. Many of us have already planted many seeds, and we continue to do so, to plant seeds, to also ask the land for permission, right? The land and the universe and everything, right? We do our prayers and do our work, and what else to say? Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spreading the word. Thank you for helping out and sharing the message and sharing your love. And let me know if you can feel me, if you hear me, if you whatever. What was your takeaway? Otherwise, also from that video, let me know, please, in the comment, or if you're shy or if you have more things to share, feel free to jump in my DMs. Always very happy to read and hear also from you from there. And so with that being said, I would say thank you one more time. Thank you. So grateful for this channel and opportunity we have also here with social media. And have a beautiful day.